The television industry has conditioned us to introduce people or additional information with the use of lower thirds. And I'm not gonna lie, they are a very powerful resource when you find a design that matches the branding of your content. So that you don't spend hours and hours creating the perfect lower thirds for your project, we've created a list with our 10 best Premiere Pro lower thirds for 2022. All the items on this list are from Envato Elements, a subscription-based service that gives you access to millions of assets like stock video, motion graphics templates, royalty-free music, and everything in between to create your project just the way you imagined it. Find the link in the description below. Number 10, Lower Thirds by Joel Starling. We're starting our countdown with a minimal and elegant pack. This kit includes 18 easy-to-edit lower thirds with various animation styles. You can add logos, frame your info in attractive text boxes, or use the stroke animated templates to give your video a clean and minimal look. Number 9, Stylish Lower Thirds Pack by Motion Lemon. With a sleek design, colorful text boxes, and dynamic animated masks, this template exudes creativity and charisma. The lower thirds look professional, while the kinetic animations give these templates an unrestricted and comfortable sensation. Number 8, Clean Lower Thirds Pack by Minimal Movie. Want a versatile lower thirds pack to use as a go-to for all different types of videos? Look no further. This pack goes from sleek and simple lower thirds to disruptive urban-style templates, so the possibilities are endless. Number 7, 4K Incredible Lower Thirds Mogart by AliFX. Remember when we said that TV is where it all began? Well, this pack captures the essence of these classic TV graphics and gives them a contemporary twist. Download this pack and give your project an old-school feeling with a modern design. Number 6, Title Thirds by I'm Leany. If I could use one word to describe this pack, it would be social media. Well, that's technically 2 words, but you get the idea. This kit looks trendy, youthful, and you can change its colors to suit the branding of every social media platform. If you're finding this roundup helpful, don't forget to leave us a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notifications bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Now, let's see which templates made our top 5. Number 5, Essential Lower Thirds by Yeti. This pack is glamorous and chic. The lower thirds remind me of those epic fashion magazine headers. I definitely feel like a supermodel if someone presented me using one of these lower thirds. Hold on. Hey guys, can we? Oh, we can't? Okay, fine. Number 4, Minimal Lower Thirds by Noble Metal. The number 4 spot on our list is a minimal and professional pack. The animations are elegant and straightforward, and the text placeholders are clean and authoritative. Download this pack and present your crew with style and grace. Number 3, Lower Thirds by Wall Street Cat. This kit is perfect for any crafting or DIY content. The text boxes look like a sticker or a badge, and the animated chalk drawing texture makes your lower thirds more dynamic and gives the feeling of a handcrafted product. These templates feel like those "Hello, my name is" badges, don't you think? Mine's Josh. Give me a wave in the comments. Number 2, Titles and Lower Thirds by Space Dog. The silver medal of this countdown goes to a super versatile pack. It includes lower thirds, titles, and even some quote graphics to complement your video. Every file feels unique, and the smooth animations give each graphic a clean and professional finish. Number 1, 15 Simple Lower Thirds by Powerbank. If your team is outstanding, you should present them with superior lower thirds. This pack includes 15 lower thirds with different animations and styles, social media icons, logo placeholders. The possibilities are endless. Download this pack and present your crew in the most epic way possible. We've come to the end of our list of the top 10 best Premiere Pro lower thirds for 2022. Let us know in the comments what type of lower thirds you like the most. Clean and elegant, or powerful and kinetic? Don't forget to leave us a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notifications bell so you don't miss any of our videos. You also might want to check out the video on your screen right now. You'll like it, it's been selected just for you. See you later!